Hello guys, this is Kingsley once again. In the last tutorial we were looking at sequential allocation of memory, and we looked at one example where we were able to find the address of the 10th element in a sequential memory allocation. Now let us to look at another example. Remember to subscribe to this channel as we bring you more of these tutorials. Okay, so question, let's say number 2 or example 2 says the address of the 15th element in a sequential memory allocation is 200. If 3 words are used for storing each element, calculate the base address. So we know our formula to be LOC, that's the location, to bracket the nth element equals the first address or the base element or the initial element plus our nth position minus 1 all multiplied by C, which is our size. So as usual, we go through to find the ones that have been given to us, the element that have been given to us. Then we can find, or we can unrest to go ahead in doing our calculation. Now we're told that the address of the 15th element. So now, as you can see, our end position has been given onto us, which is 15. And we also told that the 15th element in a sequential memory allocation is 200. So this means this 15th position has a location which is 200. If 3 words are used for storing each element, so we get to know that our C is also 3. Then we need to calculate the base address, or what we call the first element. This is the first element, LO, which we know not. So we can now move on to put down our formula properly again. Then LO plus I minus 1 C. LOC X, and we know our I is 15. Our LO wasn't given, so we still maintain that's what we are trying to find. We have 15 minus 1 into bracket 3. We're told that the entire location here, the address of the 15th element is 200. So we put that one there. Then we have LO. 15 minus 1 gives us 14 into bracket 3. So 200 equals LO. So 14 times 3 gives us 42. Then we make LO here the subject. So we move this one there and this one comes there. Either way is how you're going to find or make your LO the subject. So we have LO equals 200 minus 42. So LO gives us 158. That's pretty cool, really simple. So now let's see if truly this makes up the correct answer. So we do partitioning. I love proving, once you're able to prove, you have the satisfaction. Okay, so we were told that the first element is 158. So we have 158. Okay, so as we can see, our first element is 158, as we said. Then our class size is 3, so we keep adding onto the array to infinity, but you need to get a reasonable point. So now let's see if truly we are having everything right. Now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, so as you can see, we have our 15th position being 200. So our answer is correct. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.